Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished your lips had just a little more oomph? Maybe you've seen those perfectly plump pouts online and wondered, how do they do that? Well, today I'm going to let you in on a classic makeup artist secret: overlining your lips. And I'm not just talking about drawing outside the lines. I'm talking about strategically reshaping your lips to create a fuller, more balanced look that perfectly complements your unique face shape. It's a total game changer, and it's easier than you think. So, what exactly is overlining? It's the art of using a lip liner to draw slightly outside your natural lip border. The goal isn't to create a completely new mouth, but to enhance what you already have. Think of it as creating a subtle illusion, adding dimension and volume exactly where you need it. When done correctly, nobody will know it's not your natural lip shape. They'll just see a beautifully defined, luscious pout. This technique is amazing because it gives you the power to customize your look without any invasive procedures. Now, let's talk about why this is so important for your overall makeup look. It's all about facial harmony and balance. Our faces are all about proportions. Sometimes, having thinner lips can make other features, like your nose or chin, appear more prominent. By adding a bit of volume to your lips, you can create a more symmetrical and balanced appearance. It's like a little magic trick that pulls everything together. For example, if you have a longer face, slightly wider lips can add some horizontal balance. If you have a heart-shaped face with a delicate chin, fuller lips can beautifully anchor your lower face. It's not about conforming to a trend. It's about using makeup to work with your features and bring out your best self. Ready to try it? Let's get into the step-by-step process. First, prep is key. Start with exfoliated, hydrated lips. A little lip scrub followed by a nourishing balm will create a smooth canvas. This prevents the liner from skipping and makes the final look seamless. Next, choose your lip liner. For the most natural effect, pick a shade that is 1 to 2 shades deeper than your natural lip color, or one that matches the lipstick you plan to use. A neutral Your Lips But Better shade is always a safe bet for beginners. Make sure your pencil is sharpened to a fine point for maximum precision. Alright, here comes the technique. Instead of looking straight ahead in the mirror, tilt your chin down slightly. This helps you see the very edge of your lip line, that little ridge where the color of your lip meets your skin. This is your guide. Start at the Cupid's bow. Instead of following the dip, create a softer, slightly more rounded M shape just above your natural line. Then connect that line down to the outer corners, staying very close to your natural lip line as you get to the corners. If you go too far out at the corners, it can look unnatural and droopy. The real volume is built in the center. Now for the bottom lip. The fullest part of your bottom lip is right in the center. This is where you'll want to extend the line, drawing just below your natural lip line. As you move towards the outer corners, taper the line back in to meet your natural corner. Again, avoid overlining the corners themselves. Once you've perfected the outline, gently shade in the corners of your lips with the liner and blend it inwards. This creates a shadow effect, adding dimension and making your lips look naturally fuller. It's a technique called contouring, but for your lips. Finally, it's time for lipstick. Apply your chosen lipstick or gloss over the entire lip, blending it seamlessly with the liner. For an extra pop, you can dab a lighter shade of lipstick or a touch of highlighter right in the center of your top and bottom lip. This little trick catches the light and creates the illusion of an even fuller, more three-dimensional pout. And there you have it. Beautifully overlined, fuller-looking lips that look completely natural and perfectly balanced with your face. Give this a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. It might take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.